Did you just update a WordPress plugin and now your site's broken? Maybe you see a white screen. Maybe there's an error message, or maybe your site won't load at all. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do when a plugin breaks your site, step by step. I'm Rob McDonald, and I help small business owners like you be successful with their WordPress website. Before we start, I'll put a simple recovery checklist in the pinned comment below. You can follow these steps as we go along. All right, let's fix this. First, I want you to hear me. This happens all the time, even the WordPress pros. A broken plugin doesn't mean your site is damaged. It doesn't mean you need to start over. And it doesn't mean you did anything wrong. Most plugin problems are easy to undo if you stay calm and take it one step at a time. Let me tell you about a story of a client that I had with this similar problem. So recently I had a client of mine call and tell me their site was broken, but they didn't know why. So I asked them, what was the last thing you remember doing with the site? They told me they had just installed a plugin. I won't mention which one, but nonetheless, right away, I figured that's what the problem was. I asked them, could they still log into their site? And they said yes. So yeah, good then. Go see if you can deactivate the plugin. So they tried, and they were able to. I told them, great, try to refresh your site. They did, and they were ecstatic because it worked. This was a simple solution to the problem they were having, but it's not always this simple. I'll talk about that in a minute. Let's talk about the steps to fix your site. Step 1, don't make it worse. What does that mean? That means don't keep refreshing the page, don't update more plugins, don't delete random things. Remember this comment. Fast clicks cause big problems. What you want to do instead is just pause. Open a new browser tab and log into your hosting account. Remember this comment. Slow fixes save sites. Now what you want to do is turn off the plugin that caused the problem. There are two ways you can do this. Option 1. If you can still log into WordPress, go to Plugins, find the last plugin you updated, click Deactivate. It's that simple. Then refresh your site. A lot of times that alone fixes everything. But what if you can't log in? This is where most people panic. But this is actually pretty easy as well. Go to your hosting account, open the file manager, find a folder called WP-content. Inside that folder, find the plugins folder. Rename this folder to something like plugins-old. That's it. Renaming the folder forces WordPress to turn off all plugins. Now refresh your site. If the site loads again, we know a plugin was the problem. Next, you want to find the bad plugin. Rename the folder back to plugins. Now when you rename this folder, it doesn't reactivate the plugins, but it puts them back out there so that you can activate them. So now we want to turn on one plugin at a time. After each one, refresh your site. When the site breaks again, you found the problem. The last plugin you turned on is the one causing the issue. Now let's talk about what to do with that plugin. You have a few safe options. You can delete it, you can install an older version, or you can just replace it with a better plugin. Newer is not always better. One bad plugin can break an entire site, and that's not your fault. Sometimes plugins break because of the PHP version. Some plugins need a newer PHP version. Other plugins break on a newer PHP version. I know, this can sound very confusing. Let's try to clear it up. In your hosting settings, you'll see a PHP version option. Switch it to a different version. Save the change, then refresh your site. This is just a setting. You can always switch it back. Now let's stop this from happening again. Follow this practice when updating plugins. Update your plugins one at a time. Use fewer plugins on your site. Always have backups turned on. And do updates during low traffic times. Plugin updates should feel boring, not scary. If this feels overwhelming, that's okay. Your time is valuable. And fighting WordPress all day is not a good use of your time. For your reference, I added help options and next steps in the pinned comment below. If this video saved your site, hit the like button. You can subscribe for simple WordPress fixes and leave a comment telling me which plugin broke your site. Or if you're having other issues with your site, leave a comment about it. I read every comment and it helps others too. And who knows, I might even make a future video from your comment. I hope this video was valuable to you. I'm here to help you with your WordPress issues. I'm Rob McDonald. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.